Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing my table. I've taken the remainder oak pieces from the countertop and the end table, and I've cut them all the same length, and I've attached them together, also using a biscuit joiner, so that I can use that as a table in the back end of my van. That table will be put in with a Lagun Table Mount. I've seen these on a lot of other vans, and a lot of people really like them, so I decided to try that out. It's just got two pieces. It's got a holding piece and an arm. The holding piece can raise and lower, so you can raise and lower your table. You can swivel the arm, so you can move your table around, and then the table can actually spin on the end. So you have a lot of versatility with a Lagun Table Mount. So that's what I decided. I'm going to just show you how I installed the mounting plate and then how it just kind of slides in and works pretty easily. The first step is to sand, stain, and poly it. I'm going to do that the same way I did my countertop, so I'm not going to go into very much detail. If you want to see more detail, check out my countertop video. But I do sand it down with 3 different grits. I stain the top, and then I put 3 layers of poly on top of that with very fine sanding in between those layers. It's the same process for my counter, so please check that out if you want to see it in more detail. This time I'm just going to show you a quick little video of that, and then I'll show you how I do the table mount, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's complete and active, like able to be used in the van. So for this part, I'm going to take the mounting plate and I'm going to mount it right here on the wall so I can slide my table holder into that slot. In order to do that, I need to have this other piece that's the same width as this top piece so that it sits flat against the side of my bench. And there'll be 4 bolts that'll go into those holes. And lastly, there'll be this piece of plywood that goes on the back side of this bench in order to hold the screws, to give the screws something to hold against from behind. It seems pretty simple, so I'm just going to throw it all together. Here we go. Alright, got the arm in. It's buckled down pretty darn well. Swivels. Next step is to put the table in. Alright, so we got the table in, and it sits well. You can swivel, you can spin, you want to have it long ways or short ways. Looking pretty good. Eat some dinner, whatever you want to do. I'm pretty excited. So the table's in. I'm using it to take this video. It's going to be really helpful for that, for eating, all those kind of things. I do recommend the Lagun Table Mount because it was so easy to install and it does a really good job, and it's not that expensive. So check it out if you haven't decided what you're doing for your van table. I do recommend it. Lastly, please like, subscribe, check out my other videos. I've got videos about the staining and polying my countertop, which is more detailed than this. I've got videos about my backsplash and my solar and my heater and all the different things, and I'm hopefully going to put more out more regularly. I also want to put more banjo in my videos. I've had some people comment about that, tell me that they'd like to see more Banjo. If you don't know who that is, that's my huge Bernese Mountain Dog. He's a hoot and he's so cute. So I'm going to put him in more videos as well. Thanks for watching.